Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to easily delete a PDF file using the Dropbox mobile app. Whether you're managing space on your phone or just cleaning up your files, this quick guide will help you remove those PDFs in no time. First things first, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Once you're inside, look down at the bottom of your screen and tap the Files tab. This is where all your saved documents and folders live, so it's your starting point for managing files. Now scroll through your files or use the search feature if you have many items saved. When you find the PDF file you want to delete, don't tap the file itself just yet. Instead, look for the three dots icon right next to that file. This icon is your access point for more options. Tap those three dots, and a menu will pop up with several choices. One of them is Delete. Select Delete, and you'll be asked to confirm that you really want to remove the file. Confirm your choice, and Dropbox will permanently delete that PDF from your account. It's that simple. Deleting files this way on the Dropbox mobile app helps you keep things organized and ensures you don't hold on to outdated or unwanted documents. Remember, once you delete a file, it's gone from your Dropbox unless you have backup copies elsewhere, so make sure you don't need it anymore before confirming the deletion. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on how to delete a PDF file in the Dropbox mobile app. With just a few taps, managing your files becomes hassle-free. Keep your app updated for the smoothest experience.